So typically on the day that I wear makeup, I will use my Neutrogena makeup removing wipes and my Pond's cold cream cleanser, but I didn't wear any makeup to work today, so we're going to skip that step and move right into face wash. So the wash that I'm using is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleansing Gel, and this is by far my favorite cleanser. It is a gel base, so it doesn't dry out my skin, it doesn't strip my skin, and it also has hyaluronic acid, which helps to heal the skin as well. And I have noticed an overall difference in my complexion when using this, as well as my scars heal a little bit faster. So I did wet my face, and I'm putting a few pumps in my hand, and I'm just going to get a good lather and apply that all over my face and get it nice and clean. I also want to add that despite a tiny bit of editing, this is mostly real time. Like, I get my routine done in 10 minutes or less. So I just want you guys to see exactly how quick this process is.
Shorty a stunt. Oh, I got some feelings for you. We all look cute now. Even my mother approves. Happiness in a pursuit. Let's take off with the moves. Sights in an aerial view. We walk in the skyline. We connect, but my beard don't. Little baby like the chops. Ooh,
and don't judge my towel. It's a little raggedy, but it's clean, okay? It's very important to have a clean towel, or at least a paper towel to dry your face, so that way you're not putting any dirt or bacteria on your skin, and it prevents breakouts and any irritation. So now that my skin is nice and clean, it is time to move on to my toner. So I'm grabbing my Neutrogena alcohol-free toner, as well as the cotton rounds. My favorite are the Swispers from Target, and here they are. So yeah, I just like to use these with this toner being alcohol free. It doesn't burn or irritate my skin or make it dry, and it smells really fresh and clean. It's like a really light floral scent. So I'm just taking that and applying it all over my skin just to give me an extra clean, making sure I get my eyes, especially on the days I wear makeup, want to get rid of any mascara or eyeshadow that might be left. And I also like to take that same cotton round and go around my ears and my neck as well, because dirt and oil can and will build up around those areas too. So I just want to make sure that everything is clean. So now to moisturize, I'm using my L'Oreal Hydra Genius Water Gel Moisturizer, I think is the correct word. But yeah, I'm just going to apply this all over the skin, and this helps to even out the skin's overall complexion and texture. I have noticed a big difference using this every single day, sometimes in the morning as well. My skin is super soft and smooth. It looks way more even now. Trust me, my skin was so much worse than this like several months ago. But I really like it because it's water-based and it doesn't make my skin oily or greasy. And it also has a floral scent to it as well. So for my last step, well, almost the last step, I'm using my Garnier SkinActive Facial Mist with rose water, and I just lightly spray that all over the skin. And this just helps to add extra moisture, even out the skin, and it smells like roses. Like, it's amazing. You should try it. Now for my last step, I'm using the Jack Black Lip Balm. This is their original mint lip balm. You can get this at Sephora. I love this lip balm because it makes my lips feel super soft. It doesn't leave like that nasty film, and it has a nice little tingling sensation to it. Just lets me know that it's working. Plus, who wants crusty lips in the morning? Not me. I'm not gonna lie. They can get dry, so I have to do this step every single night. But that is pretty much my entire routine. Under 10 minutes, 10 minutes at the most. Check out the brows, they need some work, don't judge me. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.